What you doing, Connor? You don't say. Are you sitting up like a big guy? Oh, nope. There you go. There you go. Uh-huh. Oh, excuse you. Nice burp. Can you say hi? Connor? Connor, look at mommy. Connor. Hello. You want that blankie, huh? You're gonna fall. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, you're down now. Now what? Now what? Oh. What are you gonna do? Careful, don't fall off. What are you doing? Yeah? Oh, okay.